Hello guys, so we will be making a video on how to install Windows 2003 Server on your Oracle Virtual Box. First is add new, name it Windows Server 2003. After that, click finish, and then click the optical drive, add your Windows 2003 Server ISO file, click start, wait for it to set up, and after that, click enter, enter to continue. Okay, wait for it to set up, copying files, and after that, click enter again to restart your computer. Then the Windows 2003 server is now opening, but the setup is still in progress. Wait for it to install. The setup time will be approximately 37 minutes, so let's just skip. After that, you need to enter product key, or before the product key, you need to choose a name and password for your Windows 2003 server. After entering the product key, click next, and then set the time to +8 GMT +8 Beijing. Wait for it to install, then click next. Copying files. Okay, after the installation, it will now restart, and then the Windows Server 2003 will open. After that, you need to press Ctrl Alt Delete to open to begin. And then the username and password that you put. Okay. And there, the Windows 2003 server has successfully installed on your Oracle VirtualBox. You just need to do a final setup for your Windows Server to work. You need to click the D disk so that you put on your virtual machine Windows 2003 server. After that, next. Click next. And add roles. Don't forget the to add roles. Okay guys, so thank you for watching.